Here's a great deal on a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a front bench seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a tonneau cover, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.